In this video, I want to compare two really powerful email marketing tools that any online business can benefit from, Highlevel and Smartrmail. I will compare Highlevel with Smartrmail across a few different departments, including features, ease of use, pricing structure, customer support, and much more. So I hope that by the end of the video, you're going to have a good idea about which platform is better for you. So I've included the links to both of these platforms in the description for your convenience so you can follow along. And let's get started with the email marketing features and functionality. So starting with Highlevel. Highlevel offers tons of different tools that are mostly aimed towards people that have marketing agencies, but they still have a bunch of robust email marketing capabilities as part of their broader marketing automation features. So Highlevel's email marketing features allow you to create personalized email campaigns, automated follow-ups, and complex sequences based on triggers from integrated CRM data. Now, this integration enables highly targeted campaigns based on customer interactions, behavior, and preferences. Smartrmail is more narrowly focused on email marketing, and so they provide tools particularly for e-commerce businesses. Features include automated product recommendation emails, abandoned cart recovery, and advanced segmentation based on purchasing behavior. Smartrmail excels in its ease of use for setting up and deploying email campaigns quickly and effectively, with a strong emphasis on e-commerce integration. So now let's talk about ease of use for both platforms, starting with Highlevel. So this is what the platform looks like once you sign in. Highlevel provides an intuitive interface, and that allows marketing agencies to manage their email campaigns alongside all the other tools that they have, and it's designed to be comprehensive. And because Highlevel has so many tools and features, there is a bit of a steeper learning curve compared to Smartrmail, but I'll show you that. But essentially, this is what the login looks like in my dashboard, and everything's organized pretty well. Now, Smartrmail offers a user-friendly platform with a straightforward setup for email campaigns. Their tools are specifically crafted to make email marketing accessible, especially for users with limited technical expertise. The drag and drop email composer and pre-built templates make it easy to create attractive and effective emails really quickly. Now let's talk about the integration capabilities, starting with Highlevel. So Highlevel was built with integration in mind. You can integrate Highlevel seamlessly with tons of different tools like CRMs and payment platforms, and it has a great API as well. Some of the tools that you can integrate it with include Salesforce and HubSpot, which are CRMs. You can integrate it with Stripe, PayPal, and Square for payments, and a bunch of other tools like MailChimp, Zapier, and ClickFunnels. If you already use different softwares in your marketing business, then chances are they can easily be integrated with Highlevel seamlessly. Now, Smartrmail also provides strong e-commerce integrations, and they have this whole section here on their website teaching you how to integrate it with different softwares and tools. It's particularly good for platforms like Shopify, BigCommerce, and WooCommerce. These integrations allow for deep data synchronization, enabling features like automated product recommendations and quick import of products into email campaigns. Now let's talk about the pricing structure. So Highlevel has two main pricing options. They have the starter package for $97 a month and unlimited for $297 a month. Now the really good thing about Highlevel is that they offer a 14-day free trial for both of their subscription offers. So you can try out every single feature, all the tools that this platform offers, completely for free for 2 weeks before you actually make a commitment. And actually what's really good about the starter is that it has literally everything you need for almost any business, especially if you're starting out. All the tools to capture leads, everything you need to actually nurture and turn those leads into customers. And then you can actually track everything. You've got online booking software, pipelines, a social calendar, website builder, and more. Another thing that's really interesting is that they give you unlimited contacts and users, which I don't know if you're familiar with a lot of other softwares out there, but you usually get unlimited contacts and users on the most expensive subscription offer, which ironically here is called unlimited. And you get everything here in starter. If you do decide to upgrade to unlimited, then of course you get everything in starter, but you also get access to the API, so you can integrate it with anything. You get unlimited sub accounts, so you can work with as many clients as you want, and you get a branded desktop app. Now, Smartrmail's pricing is more flexible and it really depends on how many contacts you have based on your subscribers, and that makes it really flexible for businesses of different sizes. So for example, they have the essential plan, which starts at $9.80 a month, and then you can also get the pro, which is $69.30 per month. And then if you can toggle between monthly and annually, you can get different prices. So it's $14.99, and then on annual it's a little bit cheaper. So in this case, you save 30% if you buy the annual plan all at once. And so you can see that you can toggle the number of contacts, and that changes the price as well. Now, another thing they have is if you have fewer than 250 contacts, you can actually get started with a free plan. So literally nothing to worry about. You can get 5 emails per contact, 10 back in stock notifications. You get some limited chat support as well. So the free plan is perfect for someone who just wants to get a taste of this, see if they like it. If you have fewer than 250 contacts, that's what I would recommend you start with. It's linked in the description below. Now let's talk about customer support. So Highlevel is really good. Right on their dashboard here, they have a question mark. If you need help, they've got lots of training and onboarding, but you can also directly get live chat or call support as well 24/7. Now Smartrmail provides dedicated support via email, live chat, and phone. So you can directly chat here with the person, directly send a message. You typically get a response within 20 minutes. You can also book a call with their team. So both Smartrmail and Highlevel are pretty good when it comes to customer support. By now, you probably have a good understanding of both Highlevel and Smartrmail, but what do customers have to say about each platform and which one has better reviews? So let's look at the Trustpilot of each one. Highlevel has a 4.9 out of 5 with over 2,000 reviews, and it's a verified company. Almost all of them are 5 stars with recent reviews as well. So clearly people like Highlevel, but what about Smartrmail? Smartrmail only has 3 reviews here with 2.8 rating, and it's not actually verified, with almost all of them being 1 star. So you can make of that what you will. I guess it's probably a newer platform and not as many people have reviewed it yet, but clearly Highlevel is much more reliable and it's really popular with really high ratings. The decision between Highlevel and Smartrmail should be based on your specific business needs and preferences, but here are some general recommendations based on my personal opinion. So consider your primary business needs. If you are a marketing agency looking for a comprehensive platform that includes CRM, email marketing, social media management, and white labeling, then Highlevel is likely the better choice since it has everything you need in one platform. And the same thing goes for people who are looking to start a new online business and they want to have, everything they need, all the different softwares on one platform. Highlevel is pretty affordable at $97 a month, and they also offer a 14-day free trial so you can test the waters before committing. But where Smartrmail excels is in email marketing because it offers specialized tools designed specifically for e-commerce businesses. So it provides advanced automation options such as personalized product recommendations and abandoned cart emails, which are directly linked to user behavior. So this can help you increase your conversions and make more money. It also easily integrates with Shopify and WooCommerce. So if you are looking, this targeted approach for email campaigns can make you a lot more money by boosting your conversion rates. So Smartrmail is a better choice for businesses that are focusing on maximizing their email marketing ROI in the e-commerce sector. So for your convenience, I've included the links to both platforms in the description box so you can check them out. And if you have any questions or concerns, let me know in the comments and I'll get back to you ASAP. Thanks for watching.